Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about business intelligence. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence refers to the methodologies, tools, technologies, and practice used to create insightful and actionable business information. It collects, integrates, analyze, and present an organization raw data in order to support better business decision making.
Main components of business intelligence have 5. 1. Data source. 2. ETL, that means extract, transform, load. 3. Enterprise data warehouse. 4. Business intelligence analytics. 5. User access.
Data source. Data source is a set of fields that provide data for a business unit for data transfer into business intelligence. Type of data source. First, System Application Product (SAP), a data source which contains all the metadata to bring data from an external system to SAP Business Warehouse. Then, SAP deliver a list of standard data sources to bring data from SAP to Business Warehouse. Next is Relational Database Management System (RDBMS), a type of database whose data is stored in tables. RDBMS allow us to create, update, or administer a relational database, for example, Oracle database, MySQL, and others. The next one is Excel files. Excel file is a data source which stores set of information that enable us to connect to an external database. We can use Microsoft Query to set up a data source. Then, Access file. Access file refers to software and activities related to storing, retrieving, or acting on data housed in a database.
ETL has 3 phases, which is extraction, transformation, and loading. ETL is a process of extracting data from source system and bring it into data warehouse. In this process, an ETL tool extracts the data from different RDBMS source systems, then transform the data like applying calculation, concatenation, and then load the data into the data warehouse system. Extraction is the process of reading data from database. The data was collected from different sources. The data source can be files like CSV, JSON, XML, or RDBMS. Transformation is to load the data to the target database in a clean and general format, depending on the organization's requirement. Loading is the process where the data is loaded into a data warehouse or any other database or application that houses data.
Enterprise Data Warehouse (EDW) is an information system which contains historical and quantitative data from single or multiple sources. It also called a unified database that holds all business information of an organization and make it accessible across company. Component in EDW. First, Metadata Repository. Metadata repository is a database created to store metadata. It specifies the source, usage, values, and features of data. It has 2 categories, which is technical and business. In technical, it contains information about warehouse, which is used by data warehouse designer and administrator. In business, it contains details that give end users an easy way to understand information stored in data warehouse. Next is Operational Data Store. It is a database designed to integrate data from multiple sources for additional operation on the data, for reporting, controls, and operational decision support. Lastly is Data Marts. It is a subset of Data Warehouse. Data Marts make it much easier for individual departments to access key data insight more quickly and helps prevent departments within the business organization from interfering with each other's data.
Business analytics is again insight that inform business decision to enhance productivity and optimize business processes. Business Intelligence Analytics, also the second last of Business Intelligence, which is presentation of data or analysis to human users. Business Analytics consists of three, which is Business Intelligence Tools, second, Report and Dashboard, third, Info Delivery. Business Intelligence Tool is something that designed to retrieve, analyze, transform, and report data for business intelligence, such as Microsoft Power Business Intelligence, Hevo Data, and SAS Business Intelligence. Report is the presentation of detailed data that arranged in defined layout and format. Based on simple and direct queries, usually involve simple analysis and transformation of data, for example, sorting, calculating, filtering, grouping, and formatting. There is two types of report, traditional reports and modern reports. Traditional report contain detailed data in a tabular format and typically display numbers and text only with limited interactivity. Modern report can be interactive and visual, but the focus is still on detailed data. This is the example of modern reports. Dashboard is a visual display of the most important information needed to achieve one or more objectives, combined and arranged on a single screen so the information can be monitored at a glance. Info delivery is a real-time queries on information. Information needs are different according to the user position in the business. Info delivery can put and control access on certain limits to influence decision making.
The fifth component of business intelligence is user access, which is involved the information portal, including intranet and extranet. Intranets. Intranet is essentially an internal platform. It is private, secure network accessible only to employees, and is designed to facilitate connection, collaboration, and communication, as well as streamline business process. For example, it can be used in sharing documents within company or help organize people and data. It is very fundamental to a company's internal workings. What is extranet? Extranet is a private network that is designed for your company and staff members to share information and data with specified external parties in a closed or virtual space. These external parties could be customers, vendors, suppliers, and others. It also can be used for private communication, collaboration, as well as knowledge and document sharing. For example, it can be used in payment of fees and sharing of information with students and parents. Portals. A portal is a gateway or window that allows you to interact with enterprise system and application, as well as bringing together your intranet and extranet. A portal can also connect you to external enterprise system and application, as well as access to selected public websites and vertical market websites like suppliers and vendors. It will save your staff members time and allows for a seamless self-service approach as it brings together human resources and customer relationship management in one platform.
There are four important of business intelligence implementation. First is customer satisfaction. Business intelligence can help boost your company's ability to analyze consumer trends. With the help of business intelligence tools, it is easy to identify the demand and supply trends amongst your target audience and specifically in your industry. Second is better return on investment. Business intelligence brings a better return on investment for businesses. The more businesses get an insight into the workings, trends, and analytics of their business processes, the more aware they are. This strategy awareness leads to faster reporting, lowering the operating costs, and can help produce products that match the requirements of the consumer. Next is reduce and manage risk. Business intelligence enables a business to get access to details, insights, and analytics about the business. This data helps them identify risks and elements that set them back or are not efficient in growing the business. The lastly is increases efficiency. Greater insight into this file is bound to clear the bottlenecks in the sales funnel, thus improving the efficiency of your business services or products. This in turn also helps attract more leads and build a strong foothold in the market.
Challenges with business intelligence implementation. Have 4. 1. Disconnect between IT and business users. 2. Lack of strategy. 3. Reactive instead of proactive approach for business intelligence. 4. Security and customization integration.
There is many of real implementation of business intelligence, which is Lazada, Shopee, Maybank, KFC, McDonald's, Starbucks, Amazon, Webinner by InetSoft, UOB Bank from Singapore.